We're gonna do this cool street, Avenida Comercial de Macau. And this one has a nice little waterfront. You got this cool building right here. They were not too far from MGM Casino, Wynn Casino, Lisboa. And then Grand Lisboa, you can't see it, but there's Bank of China building right there. But we're gonna be, Hotel Sintra's over there, Grand Emperor Hotel is over there. But we're gonna be walking down this one towards the waterfront. So stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Avenida Comercial de Macau. Got this building right away. It kind of sticks out. It's kind of interesting. Let's go this way. There's cars that keep coming down that way, so I think I'd rather just go across this way. There's a new Johan department store. We might go on the other side. So yeah, this apartment building is kind of cool. One of the viewers used to live in here. One of the Macau Sidetracked viewers. Yeah, and actually this one's kind of nice because there's a nice waterfront up there. So I think what we're gonna do is kind of walk to that waterfront, come around a little bit, but we'll also kind of show you what's around here. So yeah, this is called Lakeview Tower. Pretty nice building. And there's a waterfront over there. And we're gonna basically kind of follow the waterfront all the way down. So to do that, I'm gonna go down this way. There's your Lisboa Casino again. Lakeview Tower again. Let's see if we can see Grand Lisboa as well. I don't think you can see it, but Grand Lisboa Casino is, it's right across this little walkway right there. It's kind of iconic. You can see it everywhere. But what we're gonna do instead is there's a car parked down there. There's the entrance to this building. Tony and Guy. So it's apartments right in there, not office buildings, I mean. There's Grand Emperor Hotel right there, and Sintra Hotel is right next to it. Yeah, you got this nice waterfront up here. Goes all the way down. Got a restaurant up there as well. Okay, let's get right to the waterfront right away. Yeah, that's a new building right there. That over there is part of the casino. So those are some apartments. I have a friend, a poker player, who's a professional poker player, lives in those buildings right there. Taipa is across the way. Taipa is the one in the distance, and this one right here is part of Macau. It goes around something called Nam Van Lake. So we're gonna kind of check it all out. It's a restaurant and a hair salon here. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of nice. Yeah, there's Macau Tower right there. I think this is a restaurant with some meat like that. And you can also sit up there too. It's gonna go all the way up. Yeah, actually there's another restaurant here. So yeah, the waterfront. You got this, it's like a kind of a Korean style restaurant with some beer. You can also sit up there too. You got some and I think that might be the Macau Tower. I always like this waterfront over here too. There's a barber shop here. So it's kind of interesting if you go inside as well, but I think we might do that. You can also go up these stairs and kind of go up into the middle parts and these little parts here. There's a barber shop, but I think I want to catch it from the other side. So we're gonna go in a little bit and then we're gonna take a left. And this is kind of interesting area. I don't know what the rents are, but there's some more restaurant stuff. But yeah, so inside you get other stuff in here too, right? The Heiso Cafe, V Club. I don't know what V Club is. Club Vegetable. It's like a vegetarian restaurant, I guess. V Club. I guess so. Joker's Barbershop. Hello. How are you doing?
Yeah.
Is this new?
Yeah.
New? It's a new.
Yeah. You know Taipa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mauricio?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. How new is it? Like 1 month or 2 months, 3 months?
This?
Yeah.
How long?
Yeah.
2 years.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah, 2 years.
Same as Taipa then. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool.
Maurice?
Yeah, go ahead and see Mauricio.
Oh, Maurice, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Take care.
That's cool. That's I didn't realize that that was that's cool. Okay, so we're gonna fade in like this. Yeah, that's a really good haircut place in Macau. I go and cut my hair at that barbershop actually in Taipa, and the barber's name is Mauricio. That's cool. Free flow, 3 hours after 5 p.m. Keep on going. Oh, there's Bread of Portugal. I wonder what the Bread of Portugal is. It's like mostly like croissants and donuts. Okay. Orange juice. Bread of Portugal. Okay, so there's Grand Lisboa right there. Now you can see it from this side. And now we're down Avenida Comercial de Macau. There's a Grand Emperor Hotel. We got another wall and then we're gonna go down. Let's see what this is right here. And then we have another waterfront area there too. There's a little stagecoach for that one. Central Hotel is down that way. Grand Lisboa, Bank of China. Lisboa, that little one. And that one is, I think, is like a hospital. FIT, it says at the top. FIT is Fashion Institute of Technology. So I don't know, that one might be one of the schools. For some reason this always has water here. I don't know why water accumulates right in that spot. And this one is AIA building. This one always has a lot of activity. But we're gonna walk all the way down. There's a Starbucks right there. There's also like some really nice gyms in there too. There's the Macau Tower. That's the other building that we're looking at. Huh, that's interesting, that haircut place, because I was wanting to ask Mauricio about that. I didn't realize there was 2 shops. Same mascot, same everything. Some of the YouTubers I watch, they interact a lot more with people. I don't really do that so much. But it's interesting when we do, right? Noodles of Legends. That looks pretty good in there. Spice up your life. Yeah, I kind of wonder what they're gonna do with all these things. And this little island right here. I think once I could see an island, I could kind of see that there's somebody that maybe had some stuff inside the island, you know, like they hanging up laundry kind of stuff, you know, some bedding, tent kind of thing. Which is pretty unusual for Macau. Beauty salons. Macau Tower. So what we're gonna do with this one is we're basically at a commercial, that street, but we're kind of going inland a little bit because this waterfront part is kind of the coolest area of it. But the other side, you would walk in front of the AIA building. That's kind of cool though. I don't know if I should walk down to the waterfront a little bit or not. I'll walk and show you with the camera what it looks like. It's basically like there's some, I've filmed it so many times in the past, but I don't know how interesting it is. Oh, here's fast food. Let's see what they have here. Sliced beef, okay. Corned beef, spicy tuna. Corned beef with cheese, okay. Okay. We're gonna keep on going all the way down. And this is kind of the waterfront area right down there. Cow Tower. That's basically where we're just coming from. So we just walked all the way down, all the way there. Came like, we basically went like, we went like that, down this way, this way, this way, this way, and now we're down here. Okay. And there's the waterfront area. Kind of cool. So we're just gonna end it right on this spot right here. We'll just end it like that.